In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel. One easy way to identify duplicates is by using conditional formatting. Start by selecting the range of cells or the entire data table where you want to check for duplicates. Then go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, choose Highlight Cells Rules, and select Duplicate Values. A dialog box will appear where you can make sure a duplicate is selected in the drop-down and then pick a highlight color to make the duplicate stand out. Click OK, and all duplicate values in your table will now be highlighted, making it easy to spot which entries repeat. Once duplicates are identified, you can delete or manage them as needed. This method is especially helpful when you want to visually check your data before making changes. Using conditional formatting in Excel makes handling duplicate entries simple and efficient. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Excel tutorials for more tips on cleaning and organizing your data.